some of this, which of course, whoa, good boy. How'd you get up there? Mountain climbing goat. I can see you shivering. Good boy. So, yeah, I mean, every little pit, every little crevice that the water can, you know, soak up into the soil, that's like, you know, I guess it's just blown there. It's, you know, it's washed off of this stuff as it rains. Little by little, the soil comes out of that and just gathers in the pockets. But also wind and sand and everything. It blows a lot out here, quite furiously sometimes. But yeah, and then it becomes a bed for whatever seeds come along, and then, you know, it's good though. That's where it holds on to the water, and then stuff grows. You know, what is that? Prairie grass. So then, and trees, you know, on many of them, and cactuses, well, cacti, wherever it wants, I guess, because it's just showing up everywhere. Along here, crevice, crack, breakage, and gathering of sand and soil and everything. So, and then you can see those little ones starting pockets, and when it freezes, of course, the little cracks start, and the roots start going through. That's cool. It looks like a worm. Yeah, a struggling worm, a struggling flower. I guess it's just grass. It's not flower, but it looks like almost like wheat. It's got the things, little groupings of seeds that the wheat has. Oh, that's nice. There's quite a few little bits of, you know, diverse flowers and plants and other stuff out here. I guess just the ones that survive better. There's another crack that's been here for longer because, well, there's more there's more breakage there. Not like this one. This is like just a, you know, simpler one, but still, the longer it's been there, the, geez, that's harder for me to climb than you. Yeah, good looking dog up there, master of the universe. Checking out the smells. Does it smell like frogs? But, you know, the faster the trees grow, the faster it splits it apart. And more water. Oh, what's the word? Profligates. More water goes through. Whoa, let's go through there. Oh, slippery rock. Usually it's not very slippery because it's like Velcro, this stuff. But if it gets wet, you know, what is that, lichen on there, or at least part of the yeah, it almost looks like part of the rock shedding its skin or something. It's like, I don't know, that's pretty cool. But the lichen is always on the side that the sun doesn't shine, because that's where it grows best. Can I make that without sliding all over the place? Nougat. That's a good example of that. There's nowhere for it to go yet, but as it gets fuller, of course. Boop boop, boop boop, and then it's the other side of that one that we were just looking at. Yeah, that's cool. minerals and other stuff coming down. But, you know, like, the darkening is, you know, I don't know, from exposure. And then the white is more the natural color that's not getting, what, exposed by the drippage or the whatever. So